everyone. Today I am going to discuss lesson number 4, A Little Fish Story from Marigold book for class 3rd. A Little Fish Story is a beautiful story. This story is about a little fish who is always unhappy because of his small size. Means कि ये स्टोरी एक फिश के बारे में है जो कि साइज में बहुत ही छोटी होती है. वे अपने इस छोटे साइज को लेकर बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं है. सो लेट्स नो व्हाई दिस फिश was unhappy and how he satisfied with his size. First of all, I am going to tell you the summary of this chapter. Children, as you know, this story is about a little fish who lived in a sea. This fish had everything in the sea, but he was not satisfied. He wished to be large in size. Means कि ये बड़ा साइज होने की इच्छा करती है क्योंकि ये अपने छोटे साइज से बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं है. One day, he was swimming in the sea along with these large size fish. After looking at these large fish, he thought that they must be very thankful for their large size. After some time, he, along with these large size fish, was caught in a net. But he managed to come out of the net because of his small size. He slipped back into the cool water because of his small size. Means कि जे एक दिन जब जे समंदर में अपने से बड़ी फिश के साथ स्विमिंग कर रही थी तो उन्हों के बड़े साइज को देखकर सोचती है कि जे अपने बड़े साइज के लिए बहुत धन्यवादी होंगे. उसी टाइम ही वहां एक नेट आ जाता है. लुक एट हियर, दिस इज अ नेट. फिर क्या होता है कि ये सारी ही फिश उसमें फंस जाती है, पर ये जो छोटी फिश होती है वे इस नेट में से फिसलकर बाहर आ जाती है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये साइज में छोटी होती है. He was so glad after coming back into the sea. He was very thankful to be a little fish because he was able to escape from the net because of his small size. After that, he never wished again to be larger. He was satisfied with his small size. Means कि ये जो फिश थी, छोटी वाली फिश थी, ये जब नेट में से बचकर बाहर आ जाती है, मीन पानी में फिर से आ जाती है, तो वे बहुत खुश होती है और फिर कभी भी अपने से बड़े साइज होने की इच्छा नहीं करती. वे अपने छोटे साइज से ही संतुष्ट हो जाती है. So students, this is the summary of this chapter. Now let's start the reading of this chapter. There are a great many million fish in the seas, but this story is about just one of them, and a very small one at that. As you know, there are many million fish in the sea, but this story is about a very small fish. Now, this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented. Contented means satisfied. But he was not happy. You will laugh when I tell you why he was not. He was unhappy because he was so very small. However, this little fish had everything in the sea, but he was not happy because he was very small. That's why he was unhappy. He wished to be larger. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish, he would say over and over again. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be. And he said it so many times, and that I think we believe it. So he told again and again that it is too much bad to be very small. He told many times that how much happier for him if he was larger. One day, he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. When suddenly means immediately, with no warning, they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Students, one day he was swimming in the sea along with the other fish who were large in size. After looking at these large fish, he thought that they must be very thankful their large size. When he was thinking about these fish, then immediately there came a big net. And all the fish caught in this net. So students, we will do the reading of next part of this chapter tomorrow. You have to do the reading of this part. Thank you.